Hello everyone. Today I'm going to take you step by step on how to make a report card using Excel. My name is Oboe Lawrence. If you want to make a report card, here is my work that I've already written. These are the names of the student. These are their marks. So now I'm going to look for total. After total, then I will go for the position of the student. So when you want to get total, you put the equal sign. Then you write sum. This is a way of making addition in Excel. Don't think that it is just local way. So when you put sum, you double click on it. You come to this one here. So when you come there, when you put there, you put comma. Then when you come here, then you drag it up to here. Then here you close the bracket. Then you can enter, and you get your first total here for the first line. Then when you get that total, what you do, you can put this one up here like this. Then what you do, you can double click on it. Then it gives you all the total. So yeah, all the total. Now I'm going to look for the position. What I do, I come here, I put my equal sign and write run. Also, this is a method of getting position. So when I click here, what I will do, I will double click on it. When I double click on it, I come here and click. When I click, I put a comma. When I put a comma there, let me click it well and bring the thing down here like this. Then I enter the F sign to bring me dollar sign. Then I close the bracket, shift, and I close. So when I close, I can enter. When I enter, I've got now this other answer, the position. So what I will do, I will double click here and get the positions. So the first line is number 4, the second line is number 2, as you are seeing it here. So this is how you make a report card. Remember to like my video. Thanks.